So hello guys, so the topic today is about dependent variable, independent variable, order and degree, ordinary differential equation or partial differential equation, linear or non-linear guys, gets. So this topic is under to the differential equations. So the differential equation is the combination of calculus 1 and calculus 2. So the differential equation is the calculus 3. Gets guys? So game. So, para mas malalo nyo maintindihan, let's proceed guys for the dependent and independent variable. So, ibig sabihin ng dependent variable, yung mga nasa numerator lang, except the d, because the d is the differential of I with respect to t. Gets guys? So, the d is the differential. So, yung dependent variable dito is dv is for dependent, independent is idv. Dependent is I, so I lang. So while the independent variable is the denominator, which is t. Gets guys? So ganun lang siya kadali. Wait, next. So ano sabi ko? Dependent variable is the numerator, which is the y, and d is not a dependent variable because this will be considered as the differential operator. So then the independent variable, which is t. Gets guys? O next, dependent variable and independent variable. So in dito guys is the partial derivative or the del. Gets guys? So game. Dependent variable is what? W. While the independent dependent variable to, di ba guys? W. Independent variable is x and y. Gets guys? O next tayo. Order or degree. So the order is the highest derivative and the degree is the highest degree or exponent in the derivative. So ibig sabihin lang ng degree guys, yun yung exponent na nandoon sa highest derivative. Ulitin ko guys, halimbawa ito, this, so the second derivative of y with respect to x guys, ibig sabihin nito guys, second derivative, di ba? Or y double prime is equals to d squared y with respect to x. Same lang yan. Pag y triple prime, cube lang naman yun nandoon guys, cube. Gets? So, eto nyan is second derivative. So, titingnan nyo muna. First, hanapin yung order. First, hanapin yung order. Hanapin yung order. Yan yun guys ha. First, hanapin yung highest derivative, which is the order. Highest derivative is what? This will be the y prime because first derivative lang to. And then this one is the second derivative. Gets? So, ano yung highest derivative, which is the order, is order, yung letter O, is 2. Kasi 2 to. And, pag pumili ka na ng highest order, guys, ang next mong gagawin, guys, is eto na lang yung tututukan mo. Kumbaga, ito na lang yung papansinin mo. Ano ba yung highest degree nito, guys? May invisible na 1. So, the degree will be equals to 1. Ulitin ko, hanapin muna yung highest derivative, which is the order. Katapos nun, titingnan yung degree ng highest derivative. O halimbawa, ito. First, hanapin yung highest derivative. So, this will be the first derivative and this will be the second derivative. So, ito yung highest guys. So, ito yung highest. So, dito na tayo magpo-focus. So, dito tayo magpo-focus yung order natin, which is 2 kasi second derivative. Gets naman yun, di ba guys? And the degree, ano ba yung degree nito guys? Ano yung degree niyan guys? May invisible na 1, which the degree is equals to 1. Gets? O next. Wait, nasa na yung kamay? Ito. Sine the third derivative of y with respect to x equals sa dy over dx plus x. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, yung highest derivative guys is nasa loob ng sign, which is the angle. Pag nandito kasi sa loob ng sign, di ba guys? Sign to, yan. Pag nandito siya sa loob guys, tas naka-parenthesis ang tawag dyan is angle. So since nasa loob siya ng sign, ang gagawin natin para makuha natin yung highest derivative, which is the 3, we all know that the highest derivative is 3 or the order is 3, di ba guys? So dito tayo magpo-focus niyan. Paano natin tatanggalin yung sign dito? By doing what? Di ba sign yan? Wait, gantahin ko lang sulat ko guys. Sign yan. O, para matanggal tong sign na to guys, anong gagawin? By arc sign or inverse sign both sides of the equation. So, matatanggal na yung sign na nandito. So, eto nyan, matatanggal na to. So, bali maiiwan na lang the third derivative of y with respect to x equals sa arc sign of dy all over dx plus x. Gets? So, ano yung highest order niya natin? 3. So, sulat na natin, order is 3. Kaso, ano yung degree natin? Degree ba natin dito is 1, guys? Or undefined? So, yung pinaka-correct answer dito, guys, is undefined. Bakit? So, ito yung tatandaan. Kapag nag-manipulate ka, ang ibig sabihin ng manipulate, yung ganito guys, nag-arc sign ka both sides, or to simplify an equation guys, yun yung manipulation. To simplify your equation guys, nag-simplify na tayo. Ito yung kinalabasan. So, dahil nag-simplify na tayo, ito na yung kinalabasan natin guys. Meron pa tayong kasamang derivative sa loob ng sign guys, which is the transcendental. Transcendental to. Ang transcendental function guys ay mga trigo, logarithmic, ln, exponential, arc sign. Mga yan. Inverse cosine. Lahat ng ganun guys. Yun yung mga transcendental function. Tandaan, kapag ang derivative is nasa loob ng transcendental function, automatic, undefined yung degree. Gets? Undefined yung degree. So, bago natin makuha na undefined yung degree, first, you need to simplify first the equation. Ito yung original equation. Sinimplify natin, ginawa natin ganito. Yan na yung manipulate na natin. Ito na yung kinalabasan. Sa kinalabasan niya, yung result, guys, yung result, ang resulta niya is meron pa rin siyang derivative sa loob ng transcendental. So, ang ibig sabihin lang nito, guys, the degree is undefined but the order is 3. That order is 3 because this will be the highest derivative represents in the differential equations. So, but the degree, guys, is undefined because may derivative sa transcendental function. Ulitin ko, ang transcendental function are the trigonometric, logarithmic, ln, exponential, arc cosine, arc sine. Iba-iba guys, mga ganun. Gets naman yun guys ha? Gets. O, next. Ordinary DE or partial differential equation. So, the partial differential equation represents as ganito guys, or also known as del. Yung parang buntis. Yan o, ganun guys. Gets? O, next. So, one independent variable means ordinary or ODE, ordinary differential equation. Pag partial naman, two independent variable or having a del sign. The del sign is ganito. So, this will be the PDE or partial differential equation. Gets? Gets naman, no? So first, identify the independent variable. So the independent variable is y, x, or t. X, y, and t. So wait, 2 or more. Sorry, nakalimutan. Insert yan, insert. 2 or more independent variable or having a del sign. So kung makikita nyo guys, yung independent variable niya guys, tatlo na. So matik PDE na yan. Pero ito pa yung shortcut dyan. Pag may nakita kang del sign guys, del sign yung tawag dyan. Automatic. Automatic guys. PDE na yan. Partial differential equation. Automatic. Rekta na yun guys. Huwag mo nang isipin. Ay may nakita akong del. Pero yung independent variable niya guys is isa lang. Halimbawa, ganito siya guys. Wait, paano ba to? Let's say, sabihin natin na independent variables niya guys is t. Iisa lang siya, di ba guys? Independent variable is t. Pero may nakita ang del sign. Mapapaisip ka, one independent variable is ODE, di ba? Siyempre, matik sasagot mo dyan, ODE. Pero may del sign siya. Ibig sabihin na pag mayroon siyang del sign, matik, rekta na yan guys. PDE na kagad yan. Huwag mo na isipin to. Pag may nakita ang del sign, matik, PDE. Rekta na yun guys ha. Huwag na mag-isip. Next. Halimbawa, ito. Independent variable guys, which is x. X isa lang. So it means this will be an ODE. Ordinary differential equation. So halimbawa dito, independent variable is x and w. Matik, ano to guys? PDE. Kasi 2 or more independent variable. 2 or more independent variable or having a del sign. Kaso dito guys, wala siyang del sign, di ba? Wala siyang del sign. Pero yung independent variable niya guys is 2 or more. So matik, PDE na siya. Kasi sa rules na 2 or more na independent variable, nag-approve siya. So PDE siya kahit wala siyang del. Gets? So, next. Linear or non-linear? Linear or non-linear tayo guys. Wait, eto. All derivatives and independent variable in first degree. No transcendental function independent in. Dependent in to guys, tapos space dependent. Dependent lang nun siya guys, hindi siya independent. Dependent lang to guys. Variable and derivative. Rule number 3, no product of its derivative, of its dependent and its derivative. So, halimbawa, ito. So, rule number 1, all. So, first, sulat mo muna yung dependent variable. The dependent variable is y. And the independent variable is x. All derivatives. Wait, linisin natin. Yan. All derivatives and its dependent variable in first degree. So, titignan lahat yung y. Yung y is first degree. Yun lang, di ba? Then, the derivatives is also a what? First degree. And the next, no transcendental. The transcendental is the ln function in dependent. So, the dependent variable, guys, is ano? Y. Variable and derivative. No transcendental function independent variable and derivative. So, approved din siya guys. Paano ko nasabing approved? No transcendental function independent variable and derivative. So, if naging 3 ln y yan guys, meaning, yung rule number 2 guys is na-violate. Na-violate kasi no transcendental function in dependent variable. The dependent variable is y and derivative or 3 ln of dy all over dx guys. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng transcendental functions independent variable and derivative. So, ibig sabihin guys, yung rule number 2 is approved din. Tapos yung rule number 1 din, approved din. So, next, no product of its dependent and its derivative. So, ano ba yung dependent natin? Y. Ito yun. So, ibig sabihin nito, itong x is independent. So, goods lang yan. Kasi pag yan nag-dependent guys, ibig sabihin, the rule number 3 is na-violate. Kasi no product of its dependent and its derivative. So, ibig sabihin, the rule number 3 is also approved. Gets guys? So, this will be a linear differential equation. So, all derivatives and dependent variable in first degree. Dependent, derivative, first degree. No transcendental function, independent variable, and its derivative. Saan yung dependent variable natin? Y. Goods lang din siya. No product of its dependent and its derivative. So, goods din siya guys. So, it is a linear. Eto guys, ibig sabihin ng y double prime is d squared y dx squared plus y sin y equals to e raised to x. So, yung rules na to guys, sulat nyo na sa papel para hindi na kayo malito. Then, to sagutin na natin to. Unang rule, no. All derivatives and its dependent variable is in first degree. The dependent variable is y, so approved. Next, no transcendental function of it. The transcendental is the sign. No transcendental function of its dependent. Dependent is y, di ba? And its derivative. So, na-violate niya yung rule number 2. Kasi, no transcendental function of its dependent. The dependent is y and its derivative. The transcendental is the sign. Tapos, meron pa siyang dependent variable doon sa loob ng sign. So, ibig sabihin na violate niya, this means this will be a non-linear. Gets guys? So, exponential is considered as dependent, transcendental function yung exponential. O next, rule number 2. X squared plus y squared dx over dy plus 2xy equals to 0. Di-multiply both sides ko lang siya by 1 all over dy, diba? Tapos next, pwede natin siyang multiply both sides by 1 all over dx naman. Para x squared plus y squared plus 2xy dy all over dx equals 0. Gets? So, dalawa yung form na pwede siya. Isang dy over dx, isang dx over dy. So, the dependent variable here, guys, is what? Dito, dependent variable niya is x. So, all derivative and its dependent variable in first degree. So, the dependent variable is first degree. Kaso, hindi siya first degree. Ito ay first degree. Ibig sabihin, non-linear na kaganto. Dito naman, no. All derivatives and its dependent. So, derivative is first degree and dependent variable is y. Dependent variable here is y. So, nag-squared siya. So, this will be a non-linear differential equation also. So, the answer for this problem is non-linear differential equation. O, continue pa tayo. No product of its dependent is y and its derivative. So, nag-multiply pa daw yung dependent and its derivative. So, hindi rin siya pwede. Rule number 2 is violate. And the rule number 3 is, rule number 3 pala yung na-violate niya. Then, yung rule number 2 is no transcendental function. Dito, wala siyang na-violate sa rule number 2. Pero, na-violate niya yung dalawa. Kahit isa lang sa mga yun, ibig sabihin, non-linear na. Pero kapag lahat yun nalagpasan niya, it is a linear. Gets? O next, proceed tayo dito. So, what is the order, guys? Order for this problem is 4, diba, guys? And the degree of this is 1. And the dependent variable is the numerator is y. Dependent variable is x. Kaso, guys, dito na tayo. Ay, wait. Identify muna pala natin if PDE, partial differential equation, or ordinary differential equation. So, this will be a what? Ordinary, di ba? So, d4y dx raised to 4 plus sine of dx ay dy pala. Ganyan lang din yan. Parehas lang sila, di ba, guys? So, ano yung independent variable nila is isa lang. So, meaning it is a ordinary. Oops, meron akong nakalimutan, guys. Yung degree. The degree, guys, it is a undefined pala. Sorry. Bakit undefined? Di ba? Pag merong derivative sa loob ng transcendental, guys, it is undefined. Kahit 1 yung degree niya dito. Pero meron siyang transcendental sa loob. So, nag-undefined siya kapag may ganun, guys. Gets? So, next, identify it is linear or non-linear. So, what is the answer for this problem, guys? It is what? Non-linear. Kasi na-violate niya yung rule number 2. No transcendental function of its product of its dependent pala and its derivative. So, yung transcendental niya is sine. Kaso yung derivative is nasa loob ng sine. So, it is a non-linear differential equation. Gets? Next dito. OD, order degree, dependent variable, independent, PDE or ODE, linear or non-linear. Ordinary, ay order pala is 2. The highest derivative is 2. The degree is 3. And the dependent variable is the numerator, which is y. Independent variable is x. So, this will be an what? ODE because one independent variable only, which is x, guys. And the next, linear or non-linear or game. All, all derivatives and its dependent variable are in first degree. Kaso, yung derivative niya, hindi siya first degree, which is 3. So, matik non-linear na yan, guys. So, rule number 1 pa lang, bumagsak na. Non-linear na agad. O, next, ito. Wait. Oh, dito, guys. So, first, kung mapapansin nyo, guys, meron siyang square root. Kapag yung square root, guys, meron siyang derivative, ibig sabihin, kailangan pa natin i-simplify. Kapag wala naman siyang derivative, guys, hindi mo na siya kailangan pang i-simplify. Halimbawa, ito. Yung order nito, guys, is ano? Ay, hindi pa pala pwede natin malaman yung order nito. Kasi sa loob ng square root, guys, merong derivative. So, kailangan pa natin i-manipulate. So, paano natin ito i-manipulate, guys? We all know that, wait, guys. Raised to 4 yun, diba, guys? Tapos, may 1 half. So, first, square them both sides, diba, guys? Squared mo sila both sides. Pag na-squared mo na, guys, bakit in-square ko both sides? Para matanggal lang yung 1 half or the square root. The square root is also equals to 1 half. Pero if may cube na yan dyan, guys, ibig sabihin 1/3 na yun, guys, ha. Pero if walang nakalagay, matik 1 half lang yun. I think alam nyo naman yun, guys. Okay. Tapos magi-score niyan to. Kumbaga na-distribute lang. Then yung dito, 2 times 1 half is equals to 1. So 1 plus dy over dx raised to 4. Tapos yung bracket niya is naka-raised to 1 lang. Pero wag na natin lalagay yung 1. Yan, ganyan na lang guys. Yan guys. Ngayon guys, malalaman nyo na kung anong order nito. The order is 2 since the highest derivative is 2 and the degree is what? The degree is the highest exponent or degree in the highest derivative which is 2. Hindi pwedeng 4 kasi hindi naman siya yung highest order. So, dependent variable is y, independent is x. Partial or ordinary? This will be a what? Ordinary. Kasi 1 independent variable. Linear or non-linear? So, dito guys, if linear or non-linear guys, yung rules guys, ano ba yung mga rules? All derivative and its prod dependent variable is degree in 1. So, yung derivatives nito ay guys naka-degree sa 2, naka-degree pa sa 4. So, it means it is non-linear guys. Gets? So, I hope guys nasundan nyo. And that's it guys for this video. Introduction to non-differential equation, dependent, independent, order, degree, ordinary, partial, linear, or non-linear guys. Ina-identify pa lang natin. So, introduction pa lang to guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Thank you and God bless.